Hi, how are you? This is Ali from EA Home Design. We are here in the Miss Kim house and in Ashburn, Virginia, and we done this kitchen for them. I want to see, I want to speak to her and see what you think about the project and the quality of, our crews and everything.
Yeah, it turned out great. We love it. I couldn't be more happy with that. The crew was great. They worked really hard. They had a lot of work that they did, and turned out wonderful.
Thank you so much. And anything that we can make, we can make us better. Any recommendation that that you can give it to us?
Not that I can think of. Guys pretty much answered all my questions when I emailed you or texted you and got everything done that we needed done. So.
Thank you so much. I really love the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's much bigger right now, and the island is huge.
Oh, I know. It's huge.
Yeah, you had lots of concern about it, but right now it's beautiful.
Out.
Yeah, it's worked out. And I'm really glad. Thank you so much for everything. You are very patient, one of our best customers. Thank you for everything.
Thank you guys for everything. It turned out awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.